Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. Pow! So I'm going to talk about three must-have skills that will make you serious money. I'm talking hundreds and thousands of dollars. These three skills have worked for me. And I have interviewed lots of people over the 26 years I've been doing this, and it has worked for them. Now, this is when you're looking at doing government cleaning contracts. If you have these three skills, you're there. So are you ready for the three skills? Okay. I'm going to give you the three skills that have worked again and again and again, no matter what. And this is whether it was last week or if we're talking about 4 years from now, it's the same basic three skills that will work for you in your business to take you to 100K. And you'll be able to make 100K in time that you wouldn't believe. So the three skills are, number one, here we go. The first skill is being innovative and creative. Now, if you are doing janitorial cleaning, this is a must. You must be innovative and creative. People pay for ideas that are going to set them apart and solve problems. So if you can think of something in your cleaning business, other than just doing the cleaning, something that is your secret sauce, unique, proprietary, think of something that you can call your guarantee system, something you can call your training system, something you can call your quality assurance. Give it a proprietary name. Name it, and then do this. Give them three things that's going to set yours apart. So think about that. That's where being creative and innovative comes into play. Put your thinking cap on, take out a pen and paper, and brainstorm. Three things after you've named it that is going to set your cleaning business apart, that's going to really solve a problem for your customers. Okay? Your government agencies. Think about that. The next thing you want to do is after you talk about what the three things you're going to do, then give them three results that they're going to receive from the three things you're going to do. So let's say mine is Encore Guarantee. My company is Encore, and I'm going to do an Encore Guarantee. That means that we're going to do this, this, and this. I'm going to make sure that we answer any questions or problems that you have within 24 hours. The results are then going to be, if we can't answer it, we're going to give you $24 back on your invoice or give you money. And the third thing in the guarantee is that we are going to make sure that we guarantee not to repeat it again. And the three results could be, of course, we're going to save you money. You're going to feel safety and secure because now you know that if anything happens again, we're going to compensate you financially. So think of the proprietary name. Then, like I said, think of what are the three things you're going to give them from what you're doing and what results are they going to get. That's number one. Number two, you've got to be able to build relationships. You have to be great at networking. Now, I personally am not really comfortable with a lot of networking. I like going to like conferences where it's like controlled environment. You go in there, there's a table, you sit down, you go learn, and that's it. But networking is something I had to work at. It's not natural for me. So I had to work at that because I know relationships are all about government. I can't emphasize that enough. So the second thing you've got to have for your skill set is being able to build relationships, which translates or better known as networking. If you can really master the networking skill and really go and put that into play, you will be surprised at how well you do with government agencies. They are all about networking because networking makes you feel like you have that relationship. So relationship building translates into networking. That's the second thing. The third thing is you've got to be able to market. You've got to be able to market your business. If you can't market your business, you really will not do as well as you probably could. These three skills are imperative. They make all the difference, like I said, whether you're talking about doing it last year, the year before, all of them don't change. Think about it. innovation, being creative, which is going to set your business apart, being able to build relationships. We've all known, if you look through any history, that's number 2. And number 3 is all about marketing your business, building that marketing campaign for buyers. If you can do those 3 things in government contracts, 2 thumbs up, you will get further than you ever could imagine. Now, the other thing I want to talk about is what we can do to help you. It's all about giving you the skills and the tool sets to be able to do that. So I'd love, love, love for you to join me for my free workshop on just what I talked about. Working with the government, how to do no bids, how to get it done. Time is a ticking. This is one of the busiest times of the year for obtaining government contracts. So don't get left behind. Make sure you're here for fiscal year 2022 before we jump into fiscal year 2023. Sign up, click the description, make sure you sign up. And in our Facebook group, I'm actually going to give you a resource to help you with all 3 of those. So make sure you click so that way you can know what the next things you need to do to obtain those skill sets. And I'd love to see you in our group and as well at our workshop this Wednesday noon Eastern time. Love to see you there. Until the next video, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.